Hello everyone! Today I'm going to share to you my Valentine's Day look. And since it's Valentine's Day, we need to look extra pretty and flirty. I went to the store and I saw this very beautiful display of chocolate, and I got so inspired that I decided to create a makeup look on it. So I hope you like it. Peace you all. First, we're gonna start with a clean face and hands, of course. Today I'm gonna be using soft ochre paint pot as my base and primer. I'm gonna start by taking this pink eyeshadow and applying it all over the lid area using a flat shader brush. I'm using patting motion instead of sweeping because I want to really pack on that color. As always, I'm gonna be using this mid-tone brown eyeshadow onto my crease using this fluffy brush to make sure that everything is really well blended. Now I'm gonna be taking this deep brown creamy eyeliner and I'm gonna apply it closest to my lash line. You don't need to be neat at this part because we will be smudging it later on. Like so, I'm gonna be using this smudger here to really soften and blur that eyeliner. I'm mostly concentrating and softening it on the outer portion of my eye towards my crease. I'm gonna be reapplying that same brown eyeliner just into the outer corner of the eye, and I will be blending and softening it and keep on building until I get the shape that I wanted. Then taking this dark brown eyeshadow to further soften and blend that eyeliner that we created. Just take your time, apply your shadow little by little. You know, if you apply it at once, most likely you're gonna make a terrible mistake on that. So just apply your eyeshadow little by little. I suppose if you're gonna apply it at once, it would be very hard to take it back, or most probably you're gonna redo your eyeshadow again. So really do it little by little at a time until you achieve the look that you really wanted, and just repeat it to the other eye. Then I will be taking this Maybelline Color Ink in beige. Yeah, it's Color Ink, not Color Tattoo. I think it's most popular in the name of Color Tattoo. That's how they call it in the West. But I don't know here in Japan. They always change their names, even in movies. So yeah, it's Color Ink from Maybelline, or Color Tattoo. And I'm just gonna be applying it at the center of the lids to really reflect some lights there. Taking that same pink eyeshadow and reapplying it onto the inner corner of the eye and blending it a little onto the shimmer. And I'll be taking that cream eyeshadow from the same palette as my highlight, and also cleaning the edges of my eyeshadow. Then I take this creamy black eyeliner to tightline my eyes. And also don't forget to be careful not to poke your eyes. Using my ultimate favorite liquid eyeliner from Dolly Wink, and I'm gonna be applying it closest to the lash line. I'm not gonna be doing a dramatic eyeliner today because yeah, I just don't like it. No, I'm just using this liquid eyeliner because I will be applying some falsies, and this helps in hiding the bands. And also, I'm just curling my lashes here. This is gonna be the gorgeous lashes that I'm gonna be using today. And if you'd like to know how I apply my lashes, just leave the comments below if you want to see a tutorial on how I apply my lashes. Here I'm just cleaning my waterline area to prepare for the eyeliner later on. Then taking again that deep brown creamy eyeliner, and I'm just gonna apply it on the outer 1/3 of the eye. Yes, just the outer 1/3 of the eye and smudging it. I'm just only applying it at the outer 1/3 of my eye because I wanted that elongated look, wide, elongated, big. Oh my god, what am I talking? Just mainly I wanted my eyes to look more elongated and big. That's it. To further make the eyes more wide and awake and big, I'm gonna be applying this beige eyeliner. It's so creamy and, you know, very gentle to the waterline. I totally recommend it. To even brighten more my eyes, I'm gonna be applying this. I don't know what's this called, but it's very popular in Japan and Korea to really widen and you know, to make your eyes brighter. I love this product so much. It really makes you look more awake. See that? So this is the end of the makeup tutorial, and I'll be back for the full face makeup. So yeah, don't forget to apply your lip balm. I need some lip balm in my life at this moment because as you can see, my lips are so dry, so cold. And then I'll be applying this pink blush from E.L.F, not E.L.F. E.L.F. Yeah, it's E.L.F. It's pink and I like it because it's so pinky. One moment please, I forgot something I think. And then I will be applying this what is this? Lip liner from Daiso. It's so creamy actually. I like it, you know. And then I will be topping it with this all-time favorite, not all-time but current favorite of mine, the NYX lip butter in, I don't know what's the name, candy button whatever. So yeah, I'm applying it all over the lips. I guess we're all done here, and I hope you like it. I hope you recreate this on yourself and wear it on Valentine's Day. And if you do, please share it. I want to see your recreations, and feel free to post it on all my social media accounts: Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and also my blog. So if you do like this tutorial, please give it a thumbs up. I truly appreciate it, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. I hope you enjoyed and liked this video, and give this look a try on Valentine's Day. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Take care everyone!